A secure chain is a single main chain with a consistent state. Every valid block added to this chain adds to the trust level of the chain. The miners are competing to add their block to the chain. What if everyone wants to add their candidate block to the chain? Each of the candidate blocks is by a competing miner. Which is the next block to be added to the chain? Can they agree on the next block? Is there a method or a protocol to choose the next block? Yes, there is. It is called proof of work. Proof of work uses hashing. Here is one more application of hashing. Do you realize now how versatile hashing is? We will now discuss proof of work as used in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is from the point of view of the miner. First, compute the hash of the block header elements, that is a fixed value, and a nonce, that is a variable. If hash value is less than 2 power 128 for Bitcoin, and less than function of difficulty for Ethereum, the puzzle has been solved. If it has not been solved, repeat the process after changing the nonce value. If the puzzle has been solved, broadcast the winning block that will be verified by other miners. Non-winning miner nodes add the new block to their local copy of the chain and move on to working on the next block. The winner gets an incentive for creating the block. Proof of work is the consensus protocol used by Bitcoin blockchain and also by the current version of Ethereum. The protocol may be the same. The implementations in these two blockchains are different. Many other approaches such as proof of stake, proof of elapsed time have been proposed. This is a hotly debated area among the developers of blockchain, and you can contribute to it.